Alright guys, it is time to publish your energy paper. And so don't forget, you're going to go into your Google Drive. You are going to click right here where it says New. You are going to open up a Google Doc. I want you up here for the title. You're going to rename it. I want you to put your name up there so that whenever I see it in mine, I don't have to figure out who sent it to me. That will let me know whose paper belongs to who. That's like signing your name at the top of your papers. You're going to type your paper. I'm going to give you 2 days. So maybe do your introduction and then your maybe first and second body paragraph today. And then tomorrow you can do your third paragraph and your conclusion. All right, so you're going to type it in here. And I'm going to go ahead and remind you how to share it. Once you get it all typed, you're going to hit this little share button right up here. Oh, hold on. I got to name it. Oh, it was telling me to name. Hold on. Okay, so I've got to name it up here first. So I'm going to call mine Mrs. Russell because that's my name. And you're going to put yours. Then you'll hit share. And it says right here to add people that you want to share it with. Now you're going to have to, it might have saved my name by now because you've shared a couple things with me, but you're going to put J. Russell at TCH for teacher, .wisd.org. All right, and then it'll bring me up, and then you can make me an editor or viewer. It doesn't matter as long as I can see it. And then you're going to hit send, and it will send it to me, and it will be in my Google Drive for me to grade. All right, just a little reminder for you guys.